Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2a equals to 2 cosine a squared minus 1. And this is equals to 1 minus 2 sine a squared. So we apply this formula for this one and this one. About cosine 4x, I will change into 2 cosine 2x squared minus 1. Similar for this one, we change by 1 minus 2 sine 2x squared. Now, 1 minus 1 we cancel. This one, we open the parentheses and we change the sign. That should be about negative number 1 plus 2 sine 2x squared. 1 minus 1 we cancel. 2 divided by 2 we cancel. About cosine 2x squared, we can change into 1 minus sine 2x squared because we have this one. This is about trigonometric identity. So because we have cosine 2x squared, so I will put this one go to the right. And you got about 1 minus sine 2x squared. So I will put this one go in here. So we have 1 divided by sine 2x squared and sine 2x squared divided by sine 2x squared. And this one you got about cosecant of 2x squared. Cosecant of 2x multiplied by cosecant of 2x squared and number 1. And now I will concentrate about this one only. About this one, we can write into cosecant of 2x multiplied by cosecant of 2x squared. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to cosecant of 2x. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to negative number 2 cosecant of 2x cotangent 2x dx. dv, we have cosecant of 2x squared dx. The integration of this one, you got about v equals to negative 1 over 2 cotangent 2x. So we have u multiplied by v, and then you got about negative 1 over 2 cosecant of 2x cotangent 2x. Next, du multiplied by v, negative number 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 2, they will cancel. But we have another negative sign in here, so we have negative, and we have the integration. Cosecant of 2x cotangent 2x squared dx. For this one, we have cosecant of 2x squared minus 1. So we have cosecant of 2x multiplied by cosecant of 2x squared, and cosecant of 2x multiplied by negative number 1. Negative with negative, you got about positive. And we know that everything in here equals to this one. So I will put this one go to the right. And you got about number 2. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. And we put about c in here. Now let's go to this one. So this integration, that's about this one in here, minus the integration of cosecant of 2x. And now we simplify, and you got about negative 1 over 2 cosecant of 2x with the integration. And now the integration of cosecant of 2x, that's about negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of 2x plus cotangent 2x. And we put about c in here. Negative 1 over 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 2, you got about positive 1 over 4. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.